Hello friends and welcome to my channel Makeup Review and Beauty Blog. I'm your favorite Jayashree and I'm here to give you a review upon the September Fab Bag. This is the September Fab Bag. And let's do the unboxing of this. Firstly, let us see how the pouch looks like. And this one is the black and white I got. There are other colors available too. I got this in black and white. It's a nice material pouch that you can use it for your any use, like you can carry your makeup while you're traveling, you can carry your brush, Colgate or whatever, like whenever you're traveling. It can be used as a best traveling pouch. And let us see what's there inside the September Fab Bag. By the way, this is the anniversary Fab Bag and it says the Sensational 6th September. The theme of this bag is Fab Bag is Sensational 6. That means Fab Bag has completed total 6 years and they have something real special for us in this month's bag. So let us check what do we have in the bag. It's a Pout Time Vivid Mini Lipstick in the shade 08 Brown Tan Abbey. The price of that is rupees 270 for 1.7 gram. This one is a lipstick. It's a mini one, so you can carry it in your pouch as well. You can carry it in your purse. You can carry it even in your jeans while you're going out. So very handy, I must say. Let me just read. Oh, it's quite mini and it's very cute. It comes in a nice black matte color. As usual, I love sugar matte packaging and even the shade of it. The shade is brick brown. I'm sorry, I should have worn the color actually. Here is the shade. I hope you're able to see it. Very cute and handy, and I love such things, carrying in I can even carry it in my pocket and go anywhere. The next product that we have is again from Sugar, my favorite brand, and this month they have is All Set to Go Translucent Powder. Again, this is a mini one, I think, and you can carry it anywhere you want to go. You can carry it even in your pouch. The Fab Bag pouch is just perfect. These all fit in the Fab Bag very well. So this one's Fab Bag as well. The products are very cute and handy. And the price for this one is rupees 599. Let us check what's inside. Wow, this comes in such amazing packaging. The matte black finish as usual of Sugar Cosmetics, and this has this very tiny powder applying sponge, and you can just pull off this and you can apply it. So very easy and handy, I must say, to carry everywhere. The price of this is rupees 599 as I said. So again, okay, so the next product that we have is the Herbal Blend Rejuvenating Face and Body Scrub. This is for all type of skin. I'm yet to use this one. It says the perfect scrub enriched with walnut to gently exfoliate your body. You can use it on your face and body as well. Again, this is a very good thing about the traveling and even the coming festive season. So like whatever we have got in this month's Fab Bag, September Fab Bag, can be used really well for the coming festive season. You can scrub your face using this one. The lipstick is very useful. The color, the shade fits the perfect festive season. Plus the powder is too good to do your makeup. Let us see how this smells. It has a very soapy sort of smell, so not very fond of such sort of smell. But then yeah, I'm yet to try this one and leave a review in my blog. So the next product that we have is Oria. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing the right way. Oria Royal Ayurveda Raat Rani and Mint Facial Mist. Okay, so this is Raat Rani, the flower they're talking about, I think, and Mint Facial Mist. This helps to uplift, refresh and hydrate. So like even when you're going in the morning, you can use this one to spray on your mist and stay fresh and look rejuvenated. The price of this one is rupees 360. I think this is a full product. Next product is perfect for the coming festive season. You can check this one. We all love to glow in the festive season, that is Navratri is coming up, and Mumbaikars love to celebrate Navratri the whole 9 days, and we love the glowing skin. Here is a beauty glow sheet mask that you can use it. It's very easy to apply. You just have to keep it on your face for 20 minutes. Beauty masks are trending these days. It's very useful and handy and easy to use. You just have to keep the mask on your face and let it stay for 20 minutes and you can take it off. That's very easy and you get a nice glow with it. This one is from Bolly Glow Star Beauty Secrets. It's a bamboo face wash and it's a moisturizing one. So I suppose this one is for the dry skin, normal to dry skin. And the price for this one is rupees 195. Here it is. And the last product of this month's Fab Bag, September Fab Bag, is Septemeber Olive Face and Body Wash. I am a huge fan of Septemeber. I am using it for my baby and it's very gentle on the skin. And I hope it's the same one for the adults as well. So this one is again a thumbs up. It's a soap and alkali free. Plus it's extra mild cleansing for sensitive skin as well. So this is something for me. This one is a sample product. Okay, again this one is very handy. You can even carry while you're traveling in your pouch. So this month's Fab Bag is perfect for travelers. And they have all the product that is best for the festive season. So you have from the sheet mask to face mist to body scrub to body wash. You have everything. You have lipsticks. I mean, this month's Fab Bag is just for the festive season and just too perfect for this season. So I think this month's Fab Bag, September Fab Bag, is a must buy. You can gift it to your friend. You can gift it to your mom, to your sister, anyone who loves doing makeup or taking care of the skin. Of course, we all will do that. We had 6 products in September Fab Bag. We had Septemeber Olive Face and Body Wash. We had Bolly Glow Star Beauty Secret Sheet Mask. We had Umbria Rat Rani and Mint Facial Mist. We have Sugar Translucent Powder. We have the mini one, that's its Vivid Pout Time Lipstick Mini one. I chose the Brownton Abbey shade, that is 08. And the Herbal Blend Rejuvenating Face and Body Scrub. So in all, we have 6 products in this month's Fab Bag. I think this one is a must buy if you're looking for a glowing skin and beauty for the coming festive season. Till then, take care, have a happy holidays, enjoy your festive season and stay glowing with Fab Bag. Till then, bye bye, take care.